Hello, hi students. Welcome to another video of Crack It. So let's go ahead and let's quickly today understand one of the question which came in CBSE 2016 from carbon and its compound chapter. So here the question is a chain question. So here the question is basically asking that here you have a compound P which is on excess of H2SO4 is giving another compound Q which on addition of hydrogen is giving a saturated hydrocarbon. So saturated hydrocarbon would mean that it is talking about an alkane. Now, this alkane, whatever you have got, is basically is one molecule of that is producing two molecules of carbon and three molecules of water. We need to identify PQR in this particular question and write down the chemical which are involved for that. So let's quickly go ahead and let's start out the formula, the question. So here they have given some hydrocarbon. So let's assume that this is CXHY. And here right now we are solving the question from backwards. So here we are talking about the R. So as soon as you take this hydrocarbon and you add O2 to it, so it will be producing your 2CO2 and it will be producing your 3H2O. Now the carbon from whatever is being formed is basically from the carbon which is there in the hydrocarbon. So that's why here you'll say that the value of X is going to be 2. And the hydrogen from here is basically coming from the hydrogen of the hydrocarbon. So from there you can say that Y is going to be your 3 into 2, that is 6. Now, here the compound R what we have got is C2H6. Now, this C2H6 is basically formation from the hydrogenation, right? So, what the chemical formula, if I take as C2H4, and let's say if I call this as your Q, and if let's say we do an hydrogen addition, so here we do A plus H2 in presence of a nickel as a catalyst, so we'll be getting C2H6. So we have figured out what is going to be your the Q. Now let's move on to the last one. So now we have got an alkene, which we get from the dehydration. So here the chemical formula would have been for P would be C2H5OH. And in this, if you go ahead and if you present that in your H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, that is going to go ahead and to give you C2H24. And apart from that, you will get H2O as your byproduct. So these are the equation and this is how you can identify that what are the P, Q and R. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. We'll see you soon in the next video. Up till then, bye bye.